Hey, what's up you guys, it's Kennedy here, and today I have for you my reaction to RWBY Volume 5, Chapter 11, The More the Merrier by Rooster Teeth. So I'm really scared for this episode because I know something bad is gonna happen. I'm kind of terrified. I'm not ready. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I have an inkling that something's gonna happen to WEISS because of comments. And so I don't know if she's gonna get hurt, or if she's gonna die, or if they imply that she's next to die, or something. I don't know. Alright, so let's just get into this. Chapter 11, there's only, 3 more after this? 12, 13, and 14? I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Go. Also ignore the sound. Someone's working on pipes. Haven Academy. Gang's all here. Tower? Is that the Haven CCT tower? Long looks at Oscar/Ozpin, then the CCT tower. Well, I remember that in Volume 2, she really liked the CCT tower. Or like the scenic route. I remember her ranting about it to WEISS or something.
Why, hello.
You guys are gonna get ambushed.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah.
There seems to be more of you than last time.
Yeah.
You know what they say, the more the merrier.
Hey, episode
so
title.
What's going on with the council?
Why did you bring your weapons?
What?
You're gonna give yourself away.
Leo, we're huntsmen. Are you okay?
Of course.
They're
Of
gonna
course.
get suspicious.
Sorry. Just haven't had my evening
And I mean,
coffee.
they're already
Look, it's
suspicious,
nice to see
but
you,
like...
but we got work to do. Are we getting support from the council or not?
Raven, why are you out in the open? She's going to see you and recognize you, and there she be. Mask on and everything.
Raven, they really are magic.
Yeah, Nora.
If you're going to shoot me, shoot me. That was insulting.
What are you doing here?
I could ask you the same thing. You've
How?
been scheming, little brother. Planning to attack your own sister.
Leo,
Oh, also, little
what
brother?
have you done?
But
Leo did what any sane person would in his position. He looked at all the information he had in front of him, assessed the situation, and made a choice.
and gave in.
And
He
it seems you
decided
all
to go
have too.
to the dark side.
You have the Spring Maiden.
I do.
Then hand her over and let's work together. We
She's
can
not-
beat Salem.
All that time spent spying for Ozpin, and you still have no idea what you're dealing with. There is no beating Salem.
You're wrong. We've done
Ruby,
things that most people would call impossible.
she's not gonna listen to
And I
you.
know the only reason we were able to do it is because we didn't do it alone. We had people to teach us. People to help us. We had each other. Work with us. At least I know we'll have a better chance if we try together.
That's sweet, but she's not gonna listen
Please.
to you.
You sound just like your mother.
Oh! Oh, we all know who that is. Oh, 2 maidens. This is not good.
Come on, guys. Is that any way to greet your old friends? Everybody stay calm.
Yang. Who's this?
Oh no.
Hey,
Fang is
Hazel.
prepping demolition and securing the school grounds. No one's getting in. And no one is getting out.
Oh, no. Oh, God. Where is Menagerie? Where is Blake? Where is the entire freaking island?
Once the charges are set, move back to perimeter watch.
They better save the
Tonight,
freaking day.
Haven falls.
Adam,
This was all
you
just
jerk.
a
I
trap?
hate you. And yes, it
It
was.
appears so.
Raven, tell me, how long have you been with them?
Not very
No,
long.
don't take it personally, little bird. Your sister was a recent addition. The lion, on the other hand. Entrance into the Vital Festival was a real treat. But Leonardo's been sending Salem all sorts of information for a very, very long time. Isn't that right, Professor?
Stop it. It was you. You sit on the Mistral Council. You had information on every huntsman and huntress in the kingdom.
Gave it
You
to
gave it
Salem.
all to her.
He had them killed.
I couldn't find any of them. Because you let her kill them.
Oh my God.
Oh, now, don't beat yourself up about it, Lionheart. I'm sure Tyrion and Hazel would have found them on their own eventually.
What is wrong with you?
Sean.
How can you be so broken inside? To take so many lives, and then come here and rub it in our faces like it's something to be proud of.
It's John.
All with that damn smile on your face.
You need to calm yourself.
Buddy, stay.
Cinder, back the fuck up before you
I'm
get
gonna
smacked the
make you
fuck up.
pay for what you did. Do you hear me?
Kid,
Well,
Sean,
say something.
please. I swear.
Who are you again?
Don't try anything, Sean, please. Oh, that's a cool weapon.
John!
You're not getting
Hi.
near her.
Hi. How are you? We're already halfway through, and I know this is not
there,
gonna end up
Blondie.
well.
I'm thinking you owe me an apology for my leg.
Your leg was already broken. Damaged.
Take out the heiress. Don't bother wasting your power. She's not worth it.
but this, you've crossed the line.
Sorry, brother. Sometimes family disappoints you like that.
We're not family anymore.
Yeah.
Were we ever?
I thought so. But I guess I was wrong.
Yeah.
Let's see what the Schnee name really means.
I'm more than a name.
Prove it.
Come on, Weist. You got this. And Hazel definitely
I
recognizes him.
don't wish to fight either of you.
Nor I you.
But we will if you're with her.
Peaceful ones, but
Very well then.
oh my God! It's just like the intro. Yang is with Mercury. Ren and Nora are with freaking Hazel.
Young man,
Lionheart.
I don't know who you are or what you think you're doing, but for your sake, I suggest you leave. Now.
I have my WEISS bracelets. Just please.
I'm warning you.
That's a cool weapon. Also, he's actually a lion?
That's enough.
He's a faunus. Also, that looks like a pentagram. Did Salem give that to you? Is that his semblance in work, or is his Aragon? I think that's his semblance at work. So did he finally get Ozpin's semblance, the shield? Because that would make a lot more sense. Yeah, weapon. Now he knows who you are.
Not quite.
So he's Oscar right now? Oh, he's gotten better. I mean, those facial expressions are a little bit ooh. But
This can't be. I knew you would be back, but you made it here. You found Crow. How?
Leo, what happened to you?
Wait. You can't have had this form for long. You're not really Ozpin right now. Boy. Child. If I deliver you to Salem, she'll have to be pleased with me.
no.
And I can finally get out of all of this. I can finally be free.
It's not gonna work.
What do I do?
It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna
Fight.
work. There you go. Oof. Oh no. Okay. You got this, Weiss. You've got this. You've got this. Please, I swear. Lucky Weiss bracelets. Oh my god. You can't count on your summoning right now. But that's a really cool way for it to come up. But there's no way. She's not gonna let you. I just,
Don't think I'm going to let you take the easy way out. I'm starting to remember you.
Oh,
You're the dense one that can't tell when he's out of his league.
Sean! RWBY, be careful.
Doing this!
I don't care about Salem, but I owe Cinder everything.
That's kind of what I was thinking back in like volume 2 and 3.
Be my guest.
Oh, illusions. Now you're distracted. Oh. Oh my god, okay. You can't take a break. She's not gonna let you. I hear This Life Is Mine playing in the background. And there's her aura.
Are you gonna let her die too?
Ah,
Messing with me!
John.
If that's what you want.
What are you doing? Oh my god! John, be careful! Please. Oh no, Vera! Oh my god. And now she's wounded. You were so close, bro. You should have sliced instead of stabbed. You were so... He almost got her.
You actually had a chance against me? You?
Kind of. Please, John. Oh my god.
With a death wish.
I'm not crying
If
yet.
I die buying them time, then it's worth it. They're the ones that matter.
Well, that's like actually intro animation.
You think so?
Oh my god. I swear to God. It's like Pyrrha's weapon. Oh my god. Don't stare. Get up and help her. Oh my god. What? Okay, there aren't actual tears, but like I feel them. Oh my lucky bracelets failed me. Watch Rooster Teeth just be trolling us so hard, and she just like leans forward and grabs her weapon and gets right back up or something. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, there aren't tears right now, but it might be like what happened with Yang's arm, where I didn't feel it in the video, and then right as soon as I ended, tears were just pouring. Oh, this is probably gonna end up getting blocked, so maybe you'll see tears in the freaking video, link video thing. If she dies, then I swear I have to cosplay as someone else. I can't cosplay as Weiss if she's dead. No way. That's too emotional for me. Okay, Rooster Teeth. Screw you. Why do you kill off Weiss? She's best. Okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed, because I sure as heck didn't. Okay, I did not enjoy this. I liked the fact that Jean was like actually taking on Cinder, and I liked the fact that Weiss was trying to take on a maiden all by herself. But, you know, can't always get our way here. Okay, well, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you like my personality, please subscribe. I have no words. Weiss is dead. If you didn't like it, please don't comment about it, because I really don't care. And as always, don't forget to eat your chicken. I swear to God, please just let Rooster Teeth be trolling us, because I can't deal with Weiss being dead. I feel like I'm not crying right now because we didn't physically watch her die. We watched her get stabbed, but Pyrrha's body did the disappearing thing. So if Weiss's body does that when Cinder touches her, then we know she's really dead. But like, I feel like she's not actually dead, and please let her not actually be dead. Okay, well, as always, don't forget to eat your chicken, and bye.